It was a sunny morning in a small town. A young boy named Leo was walking to the bakery to buy bread for his mother. The air felt quiet and full of hope. As the light touched the streets, everything seemed calm and new. As Leo reached the bakery door, something caught his eye. On the cobblestones lay a small brown wallet. He paused and bent down to look closer. "Someone must have dropped this," he whispered to himself. Inside there was some money and a photo of a smiling family. He looked around, but no one was there. The photo showed a happy family, a man, a woman, and a little girl. Leo's heart softened. He could almost feel how worried they must be. "I should take it to the police," he thought. He closed the wallet carefully and began to walk, holding it tightly in his small hands. The street was quiet except for the birds singing above. Morning sunlight painted long golden lines across the road. Leo walked slowly, thinking about the person who lost the wallet. "I hope they're not too worried," he whispered. "If I lost mine, I'd be scared too." A friendly officer named Miller sat behind a wooden desk. When Leo stepped inside, sunlight followed him through the door. The officer looked up and smiled. "You found this and brought it here?" "That's very honest of you, son." Leo nodded shyly. "Yes, sir." "I didn't want someone to worry." The officer smiled again. "That's the right thing to do." Honesty always shines, and Leo felt a quiet happiness fill his heart. Later that afternoon, the door opened again. A tired man walked in, his eyes full of worry. "Excuse me," he said softly. "Has anyone found a wallet?" When he saw it on the desk, his eyes lit up. "Oh, that's it. There's a picture of my daughter inside." The officer pointed to Leo. "This young boy found it and brought it here." The man kneeled down beside Leo and said, "Thank you, son. You didn't just return my wallet. You gave me back my peace of mind." Leo smiled, cheeks warm, proud without saying a word. As the sun began to set, Leo walked home. The town glowed in soft orange light, and a calm breeze followed him. He thought about the man's smile and how good it felt to do the right thing. Sometimes honesty doesn't make us rich, but it makes our hearts peaceful. When we tell the truth, people learn they can trust us, and trust is a treasure that never gets lost.